Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ram 1500 battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, remember to wear protective glasses and gloves to prevent any contact with battery acid. This simple preparation makes the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. You'll usually find the battery located under the hood, often on the passenger side of your Ram 1500. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is a crucial safety step. Use your 10mm wrench for this. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, and then carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Be aware that batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care to avoid injury. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Now, carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. To connect your new battery, reverse the disconnection process. Start by attaching the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and secure. Don't forget to reinstall and tighten the battery hold-down clamp. This prevents the battery from shifting while driving. Finally, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly and all electrical systems are functioning as they should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.